Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October the 18th, 2024, and I'm out here in the garden. We still have our peppers are still going here. We did have 2 frosts now, but the peppers seem to have made it through, which peppers do like it really warm. We're gardening in Pennsylvania in Zone 5B, so we have quite a bit of peppers here to take off. Now, we eat these raw. We use them for cooking, and we also make pickled peppers out of them, and then we jar them.
They were hot peppers, some little red ones down there.
Little red ones. So we did have hot peppers and we had sweet peppers, but unfortunately somehow we got them mixed up, or it was just from it being that dry this year. Despite when we were trying to keep everything watered, most of our peppers had turned really hot on us. So I'm going to be working on different methods for how to actually label these so we don't get them mixed up. So we still have some green beans trying to keep going here. So these here had come up on their own. These crossed. Now your squashes can readily cross. They cross very easily with your zucchinis. So what actually happened with these crossed with a zucchini and a yellow summer squash. And it kept the characteristic of the zucchini for the shape-wise, but it took the color on of the squash. Now, they were very good. They were very sweet, and we did enjoy them. We ate a lot of them. You can only eat so many. We did try canning some of our summer squash. I liked it. It did kind of get a little mushy, but it was something that I still enjoyed, and I have it now to put in with our other meals that we make. The zucchini, we do still have some of the Black Beauty green zucchinis going. We still have some beans going here, and I will have a video on for saving your bean seeds for your green beans and different things. And I will put a link for that at the end of this video. And we have some of our broccoli back there that went to seed, but we tried a new variety this year. We were really happy with it. That has a double fence to try and keep the deer out. Most of our tomatoes are done. We made a whole lot of ketchup, and we jarred our tomatoes and made salsa, tomato sauce, spaghetti sauce, lasagna, all different kinds of stuff. We're really happy with the tomato varieties that we grew this year and that we had. We were down in, what do you say, the 20s or 30s today, this morning? I thought he said 28. Yeah, I think he said 28 we were at this morning. So, we still do have our beans going over there. And like I said, we're using those for seed saving. And the peppers back there, they're still going pretty nice. They're calling for 70s for next week. But you can see here the broccoli is just starting here to go to seed. And these here, this is an heirloom variety of broccoli here. It's the first year that we tried this variety, but these here are your seed pods, and they will form the seeds in them, and when they dry you got to watch because they'll just burst open. So these here went to seed for us, and you can see the plants in bloom there. Like I said, we have this double fenced, so try and keep the deer out of here and try and stop them from completely destroying the garden and eating everything in it, because if they get in your garden, they'll just eat the stuff all up. And it is still producing little heads here.
Which are good to eat.
And you can see there's another one. Let me see if I can find it through the fence here. There's another one right there. And there's more on this plant here, which the fence kind of makes it hard to see, but they are still producing. We had a really strange year this year for planting. It was so late for us to get our stuff in, but I think they did well for everything that it went through. So our Brussels sprouts didn't do anything this year, and the purple of Sicily cauliflower did not do anything this year. I'm thinking that's probably because it got planted so late. But these are some of the hot peppers here, and the deer did eat these. They were eating the hot peppers, they were eating the plants. Because I know that some people say take your hot peppers and actually put them on your flowers to keep the deer away from them. You make like a spray up. But the deer around our area will actually eat the hot peppers. So I don't know if making a spray out of them to put on your flowers would really work or not. Because that's just been our experience with them. The deer will eat anything that basically they can. Including green tomatoes. They will eat tomatoes. And they'll eat the green tomatoes too. We found that out. And these are some of the peppers that came off. And there's another squash mixed zucchini. But we have our parsley here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll tell you as I put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Bye.